start.
It's like at a certain point, it's like
This is for texture map.
Right.
we're waiting for rent to clear.
So
So I can't.
let's say you wanted a checker pattern. You wouldn't be able to use this checker pattern straight up. You can save it out.
So that I don't have to, because
Save it as
it's like really obnoxious with our land. We'll send it out. We always
whatever,
have
JPEG.
to like send the channel dependent on like when payday is and make sure that there's money in there. But then it's like there's money in there, and it'll take 10 days.
So if you wanted to,
Don't spend any money until rent clears, you know. And then you're just like in this constant state of.
so I made a attribute on. So I'm going back to my base fur, and I've already created an attribute called root_color, which I put in here. You set this to color value, and then you hit the plus button, and that would create your attribute. So up here, if I've already gone create map, and that's how I got this. But from here, you can go paint. It's imperative that you have a default shader, like a Lambert or a blend or something, on your mesh that the XGen is based on.
Yeah.
If it's a V-Ray shader, it won't do this.
Okay.
So from here, I would map this out. So it has, this is what we painted earlier. But you can go and find a texture map and put it right in here. So I got my checker. And then if I went back to my XGen and hit save, it'll now write that checker into that color. So now, since I have this hair sampler plugged in here, which is reading an output color, I just plugged through a ramp. I think you could probably go straight in. I was going to do something different. But if we were to render this, and I'm going to turn off motion blur just for speed, we should get a checker pattern for, and it's UV based, so you want your UVs to be laid out smartly if you're going to try something like that. So now you can start to see that we've got this checker pattern color formation across our object. So that's how you'd introduce a custom texture map. You could paint it, or you can just load it in, but you have to create the map, and point it towards your texture. Then you got to hit the save. Otherwise, it won't work. And it has to be. It's looking for root color. You could also have tip color and do a blend, but with the V-Ray hair attributes, you can just use the root to tip from that, and it's easier. So from here, we could use the same setup. So if we wanted to ramp in here, and say we wanted to do a root to tip of this, show all distance along strand, B coordinate. So we could say we want our base hair to be checkered, and let's say we want the tips to be, I don't know, like a blue or something, slight blue color. And then you can go into your color here. So it's I should put the checker at the bottom and now do a gradient up to blue. Should.
I did not sleep nearly a week that day. I sent.
So now we have a base checker pattern and a tip blue color. And that's how you do stuff.
Yeah, and it was one of those things that
Yay.